Hello everyone, welcome to the Towngas Cooking channel. Today we're going to display and present you 3 different dishes, and everything is basically come from an idea of an Italian cultural institute called Dante Alighieri, which basically is trying to remember all of us who was probably the most important poet and writer in the Italian history literature. This is just the purpose to present 3 dishes that basically they have to recall us those times. And the first one that would be here on the day, it's a spelt soup. Spelt is one of the most ancient grains that we know, and this one especially was like super popular among that part of Europe in those days. The other ingredients is also like something that you still find nowadays on our territory, and they really signed the tradition in our country. So since everything starts from the mid part of Italy, all these display an array of ingredients would be something that you still find, again, as I said, in these days. So we start with some guanciale, which is a cured ham, most likely the part of the cheek. And we're going to have some mixed vegetable, carrots, onion, and so on. The spelt again. And everything we're going to cook throughout with some chicken stock. Add on a bit of beans. In this case, I pick up some white beans, cannellini beans, but you can choose the beans that eventually you prefer. Now I will show you how to go ahead with this soup. So we start with our guanciale, the one I showed you before, and we simply let it soak slowly in an empty pot. Basically, consider a higher amount of fat, it will slowly melt, and then will allow us to cook all the other ingredients within. Fat start melting. This is the time we are ready to add on our vegetables. And again, just let them become slightly golden, I would say. Salt and pepper can be at this time, and later on we adjust the flavor just right at the end. We can add on the spelt, and basically we toast it a little bit like when we do a risotto. So we keep going on cooking without adding any water or any liquid whatsoever in this moment. And then we can add the beans. In this case, again, I picked the cannellini beans, but it could be any other sort of beans you have. These ones have been soaked overnight, and I'm gonna add them at this stage together with the spelt right before we're gonna start the real cooking by adding some chicken stock into it. We make sure the liquid covers whatever stays inside, and then at this point we try to adjust the flame so that our soup will keep simmering and cook slowly without overboiling. Around 40 minutes will give you the soup ready. After being waiting patiently for 40 minutes, this is our soup ready, and we simply arrange it on our plate. And if you like it, enjoy maybe just a few drops of olive oil on top. Buon appetito!